Experience a luxurious Lake Oswego lifestyle in this completely remodeled home in a premium location. You'll enjoy Lake Oswego's best parks, restaurants, and shopping with quick access to freeways, and it's within walking distance to Trader Joe's. All on a horseshoe-style street with no through traffic. Head inside and discover timeless design and upgrades throughout. A custom fireplace surround, brand new built-in cabinetry, and newer windows with custom hidden electric shades. The new designer-planned kitchen features top-tier quartz countertops with a waterfall edge, top-of-the-line appliances, a built-in hidden fridge, and natural wood accents and cabinets. It opens to the spacious dining room, perfect for entertaining. French doors lead to the light-filled main-level office. Upstairs, you can unwind in the large primary suite, complete with a spa-inspired bath with heated floors, soaking tub, and tile shower, plus a huge walk-in closet. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has plenty of space for everyone, with nearly 2,900 square feet. It's a low-maintenance home with big expenses already completed, and you'll enjoy low property taxes in unincorporated Clackamas County. The extra deep garage has showroom-style heavy-duty floor coating and built-in cabinets. Your private backyard retreat features a large stone patio, raised garden beds, a covered barbecue area, and a relaxing hot tub. An exceptional home with pride of ownership throughout and top-tier modern renovations. Start living your best Lake Oswego lifestyle today. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.